how to download Google Sheets. So basically, if you want to download Google Sheets, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all simply open up your browser. Now let's say that your Sheets is complete. You've done all the editing and then you'd like to download this sheet maybe in an editable format or in a non-editable format in a PDF version, whatever else it is. You want to first of all simply go to the file option from the top left, and here you'll find the download button. Now under download, if you select Microsoft Excel, OpenDocument, or CSV or TSV format, then these are going to be editable, which means they can be opened up in Excel, they can be opened up in Sheets again, and they will be editable. But if you don't want it to be editable, then you can just select in a PDF format so that it will be downloaded as a document instead of all of these values. So depending upon which one you want, you can select that, and here you'll be able to just select current sheet or selected cells or whatever else it is. You can print all of them and you'll be able to click the export option to download them. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.